मुफ्ती महमूद कौन है और इनके बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं? Mufti Mahmud was a prominent Islamic scholar and politician from Pakistan. He was born in 1911 in the village of Mardan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Mufti Mahmud served as the chief minister of the Northwest Frontier Province, now Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, from 1972 to 1973. He was a leader of the Jamiat Ulema-e-Islam (JUI) political party. Mufti Mahmud was known for his religious scholarship and leadership in the Deobandi school of thought. He played a key role in opposing the military regime of General Ayub Khan. Mufti Mahmud was a vocal advocate for the implementation of Islamic law, Sharia, in Pakistan. He was involved in the 1970 general elections and was elected as a member of the National Assembly. Mufti Mahmud worked towards promoting Islamic education and madrasa reforms. He passed away in 1980, remembered as a significant religious and political figure in Pakistan. Mufti Mahmud 1911 to 1980 was a prominent Pakistani Islamic scholar, religious leader and politician. Born in Mardan, in the then Northwest Frontier Province, now Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, he became a leading figure in the Deobandi school of thought. He was actively involved in religious education and served as a teacher and jurist. Mufti Mahmud played a significant role in Pakistani politics as a member and leader of the Jamiat Ulema-e-Islam (JUI) party. He was known for his strong advocacy of Islamic law, Sharia, and worked to promote Islamic values within the political framework of Pakistan. He opposed the military dictatorship of General Ayub Khan and was involved in various political movements during his career. In 1972, Mufti Mahmud became the chief minister of the Northwest Frontier Province, serving until 1973. During his tenure, he focused on implementing Islamic laws and supporting religious institutions. He also played a key role in the 1970 general elections as an influential political leader. Mufti Mahmud's legacy is remembered for his contributions to Islamic scholarship and his efforts to integrate religion with politics in Pakistan. He passed away in 1980, leaving behind a lasting impact on religious and political spheres in the country. मुफ्ती महमूद पाकिस्तान के मुमताज़ इस्लामी स्कॉलर और सियासतदान थे। वो 1911 में खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के शहर मर्दान के एक गांव में पैदा हुए। मुफ्ती महमूद ने 1972 से 1973 तक शुमाल मगरबी सरहदी सूबे, मौजूदा खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के वज़ीर आला के तौर पर खिदमात अंजाम दें। वो जमीयत उलमाए इस्लाम (JUI) के सियासी रहनुमा थे। मुफ्ती महमूद दीनी इल्म और दियोबंदी मकतब फ़िक्र में अपनी क़ियादत के बाइस जाने जाते थे। इन्होंने जनरल आयूब खान की फ़ौजी हुकूमत की भरपूर मुखालिफत की। मुफ्ती महमूद पाकिस्तान में इस्लामी कानून, शरीयत के निफ़ाज़ के पुरज़ोर हामी थे। मज़ीद दिलचस्प और मालूमाती वीडियोज़ के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि हर नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको फ़ौरन मिले। शुक्रिया।